Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. Thank you for tuning in. I'm back with another video and this time it's a Diwali shopping video. I'm here at one of my favorite home departmental store, which is Miniso, where I love to shop because you literally get everything under the sun from this store. It's Diwali time, that's why I'm all dressed up guys. There's so much stuff that you can buy from here, especially during Diwali with festive season. I have so much gifting to do, I have so much stuff to buy for the house, and I'm here in Miniso to check out their collection. They have some amazing option and they have some amazing Diwali offers. So let me show you around. As you guys know, Miniso is a store where you get it all. It's a departmental store which has anything and everything for the house. It's your one-stop shop to get everything you ever want in terms of for your child, for yourself, for utility, for storage. It's like my favorite place to be. So let me take you through all the Diwali gifting options that you can get from Miniso. Firstly, I'm going to show you their perfume collection, which is actually their new launch, and I'm in love with so many of them. And the best part is the pricing here guys. You know, Miniso is so well priced, it's super affordable and it's great quality product. They have these amazing packaging of like 30 ml bottles and they're priced at about 360 each. Smell amazing. The offer that they have here is that in any of these perfume bottles, in any of these packaging, you'll get a voucher. The voucher could range from about 50 rupees to about 1000 rupees, and you get that off on your total purchase, which is an amazing offer. This is the men's collection of perfume and this is the ladies collection, and they have some amazing options. There's 30 ml and there are 50 ml bottles as well, which is amazing for gifting because they're all under 500. I think the big size bottles are about 560 and the small size bottles are about 360. 360 for a perfume is absolutely amazing if you're looking for some amazing gifting options. And I love this Knight's Tale perfume. I'm definitely picking this up for my husband and my brother. They have this Free of Prejudice range, 6 fragrances in this perfume, and all of them are amazing, so I'm picking up 2 for myself. So guys, this is their candle collection and it's a huge candle collection. Let me take you through the Inject series, which is, these are scented candles, and the best part is that you can actually check the scent from top of the box and you don't have to open it, which is really nice. They are very affordable, they're only 190 rupees. Scented candles are the perfect gifting option for Diwali, and I think I'm definitely picking a lot of these. They also have scent diffusers guys. These are the kind of scent diffusers they have, which is a more premium gift for your room and all, especially for Diwali. This is such a good gift. My favorite part is definitely their diffuser and candle sets, which are so affordable and such great options. I'm definitely gifting one each to each of my friend. Let me show you. These are the special Diwali packaging that they have for gifting. These are gift boxes which has a candle and a scent diffuser. This is priced at 450. This is a big box which has this nice cute diffuser. They have 4 different fragrance options in this, and there's a small cute candle in it. So what they also have is these small candle sets. There's a set of 4 scented candles, very cute small size candles which are ideal for the house, and so basically there are like these 4 of these in one box. And this packaging, this is like priced at 350, which is again a great price. I personally feel these smaller candles are a better gift because you get 4 different kinds of fragrances, and it's a great gift to add for anyone. Like anyone and everyone will love such a gift. So for 350, it's such a great Diwali gift option. If you want to give something more premium, you can always go for these kind of gift set options. It's such a premium packaging anyway. For 450 you get a scent diffuser and a candle, which is amazing. So I'm definitely picking up this and definitely picking up this as well for everybody who I feel like would love a nice scent in their house. Of course they have some tea lights as well. These are like set of 18 tea light candles that again you can take for your house. They're all scented. This is the lemon one. This is priced at 170, again a great price. They also have these amazing candle options, again great for gifting. This is the kind of packaging that they have, and best part is the price of their candles, 190 for a scented candle. I haven't bought scented candles this inexpensive ever, so they are very affordable. And the best part is they smell really great. So they have 4 options in this. This is the romantic date, this is the dessert oasis, this is the lost cause. So there are about 4 candles here as well in this collection. Smells amazing. And guys, this is the packaging of their scent diffuser boxes. If you want to give something really nice to someone, you can definitely go for these this Elegant series scent diffuser. Aroma is Elegant Rose. I think it's such a nice gift to give. Again, I really personally feel this is the best part, that you can actually smell this through this. Smells of rose, smells really good, guys. And again, for $3.90, such a good gift to give. Miniso can certainly be like your one-stop shop for all your Diwali gifting shopping. I always go overboard when I visit Miniso, because I end up buying 10 extra things. You look at these things and you feel like buying literally everything from the store. So yes, I love shopping from Miniso, and there's so many options right now for Diwali that you'll be spoiled for choice. I've taken you through mainly the candles and the perfume selection, because that's their main Diwali collection, which is very good for gifting. So guys, I've just taken you through mainly the gifting Diwali options from Miniso. They have some amazing offers going on right now. If you shop for 750, you get 80 rupees off on your purchase, and if you shop for 1000 rupees, you get 150 off on your purchase. So that's the first offer. That is amazing. And the other offer is on the perfume selection. This is the Free of Prejudice range, which is their new perfume range. And if you buy any of these, it's like a lucky draw, and you get a voucher in any of these, and the voucher could range from 50 to 1000 rupees, which is again a great offer. So guys, I have done a lot of shopping. My basket is pretty much full, because I literally picked up 2 of everything that I saw. But there's so many people I want to give a cute gift to. Could be for my brother, could be for my mom. There's something for everyone here at this store. And let me show you what all I've picked up for my Diwali shopping. I've picked up perfumes. One of this is mine. This is the Miss Charm one, 460. It's a nice big bottle, and I'd love to use it. I love the scent. Then I've picked up 2 perfumes for my husband. This is the Knight's Tale perfume, which is a 30 ml one. Cute. They're particularly good for travel, guys. When you don't want to carry big bottles of perfumes, these small bottles come in really handy. So these are the 2 perfumes I've picked up for my husband. 2 from this Dreamscape Radiant Candle range. 2 of these candles, they're 190 each. Again, really good options to just add if you want to gift to someone. Just perfect to pick up 2 candles and you're sorted. This is the Inkjet series candles. This is the Apple Sake, and this is the Tropical Beach. So these are the 2 candles that I've picked up for my house personally, because I love the aroma. Scented candle set. This is a set of 4. I actually might take 2 of these, because such great packaging, such premium packaging, such good price. This is priced at 350, and you get 4 of these great scented candles. Last I've picked up is these 2 scented sets. These are super premium, and definitely I have a few parties to go to, and I'm definitely carrying these for my friends. They have like a scent diffuser and scented candles. It's a set. This is for 450. For under 500, if you can get such amazing premium Diwali gifts, nothing like it, and that is why I love Miniso. Yeah, it smells absolutely amazing. Spring Magic and the Polar Day range. So guys, that was my Miniso haul. That's all that I've picked up from the Diwali sale here at Miniso, and definitely it's worth the money, because I save on the money, because my amount is obviously more than 1000, so I anyway get it 150 off. And let's see what the vouchers get me as well. So I also want to show you some really highly recommended options and things to buy from Miniso, because I personally love to buy this stuff, and most of this stuff that I'm going to show you I've already bought, and I don't mind buying more because the quality is great, the pricing is absolutely amazing. So yes, let me take you through my Miniso favorites here. So guys, I particularly feel their bottles are amazing. I picked some of these up for my mom, for my daughter. Their bottles are, and these containers are amazing. You also get these kind of sippers, amazing options, super cute as well, and there's some amazing colors also in these sippers for yourself or your little one. I particularly feel their mugs are amazing. I had recently picked up their mugs for my home for like everyday usage. They're priced at 190 each. Good quality. I've been using them for a while and I feel they work really well for basic mugs and some really cute option in mugs. They have some great designs. So guys, these are the mugs that I feel are amazing options. I even have this kettle. I gifted it to my mom. Again, a great gifting option for Diwali as well and otherwise also. But these mugs are absolutely amazing. These are the various bottles that they have. They always have great variety in bottles, so this is also something that I really love. Come to some storage containers. They have these kind of storage containers. These are the kind of storage boxes that you get here. Again, 460, which is an absolutely great price to store anything, you know, your little one's toys to your own utility things like socks and smaller things that you want to organize in your house. There's some amazing options of organizers for you. I already have these and I'm definitely picking one of these. They have some hand towel selections also. There are some great hand towels here. Some really cute teddy bears my little one really loves. Every time I get her here, she's spoiled for choice because there's such amazing soft toys that you get here. Really, really cute. I love their home slippers. I've been using one of these, like the kinds that they have, these ones. I've been using this for more than 2 years now and still hasn't gone bad. I'd love to buy one more, but it just doesn't go bad. And I think I got it for like 240 rupees. These are the various candles and scent diffuser options, guys. I love these. This is such a good gift to give to anyone. Everyone loves a little bit of an aroma in their house, especially during Diwali, to light up the candles, to light up the house. And these are the amazing gift options that I've picked up, guys. Again, showing you guys so much of variety that they have here. There's a lot of makeup that these Miniso has. You can see they have some lip colors and see there's a lot of variety in their perfumes, guys. This is my shopping, guys. I think I picked up quite a bit of things. Really cute pouches for your makeup or jewelry or anything. Guys, I'm done with my shopping and there's so much that I've got for myself and everyone in my family. Super excited. I've been to the malls and I've been to a lot of home utility stores, but I've not got any gift under 1000 rupees. And here you get so many options under 500, which is the most affordable gifting option you can find for you and your loved ones, for your own home and for your loved ones. So yes, that brings me to the end of this video, guys. I'll link everything down in the description box, details of all the offers that they're running right now. I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and happy Diwali.